guys, welcome back to my channel. And today what I thought I would do, I have a small haul for you, but before I get into that, I want to talk to you about something, and then I want to do some shout outs, P.O. Box shout outs. So I'm really excited about the haul and the shout outs. But I wanted to talk to you about my foot. As a lot of you know, I've been having this infected left foot for quite a while. And I was put on antibiotics, and I took them, and then I went to see a specialist. And the foot really wasn't getting much better. It was just sort of staying the same, maybe a little worse on some days. So he wanted to see me in 2 more weeks. He increased my old antibiotics, and then he wanted to see me in 2 weeks. So I just went back, I think it was Tuesday of this week. And you'll be watching this on Friday. And so when I went back, it didn't look very good at all. Matter of fact, it had gotten worse. And so he said that he wanted to give me this antibiotic that is very strong. It's equal to taking IV antibiotics. And I take 2 pills a day, and I have to be on it for 28 days. But what he wants to do, if I'm not improved by, I think he said like the 8th or 9th of June, then I have to call him, and he's going to order an MRI on the foot just to see if there's something. He doesn't think there's anything up in there, but maybe somebody has missed. I've had an x-ray and nothing showed up. So that's where that's standing so far. But it's not as painful as it was, and to be honest, yesterday and today it has started to me to look like it is having some improvement, which I'm very happy about that. So I request that you would all just pray for my foot and keep me in your prayers. So I would request that you would all keep my foot in your prayers, and for a speedy recovery, and that everything turns out well with it. It has the potential really to get nasty, unfortunately. So I'm hoping and praying that that doesn't happen. So like I said, just keep me in your prayers and keep praying for my foot. And I love filming for you guys because it really occupies my mind, and it gets it off of the foot and the situation with it. So I'm going to continue with my Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday uploads for now, and hopefully the foot will just get better and better. But now I don't want to go into a lot about my foot because I tend to get emotional about it. So my mother did a video in front of a haul because we were out the other day shopping. And if you want to know more information about the foot and the situation, you can go to her channel. It's Designs by Joni L. I don't know if the video is uploaded yet or not when you see this. I know she's scheduled for surgery, a lithotripsy, on the 8th of June, so I appreciate your prayers on that too. We seem to be having quite a time here lately. But as soon as it gets uploaded, you can go over there and check it out, and she goes into more detail. I just don't like to do it. I get too upset. So let's get to the fun stuff. Let me show you my haul, and then I'll end it on a very, very upbeat with the P.O. Box shout outs, okay? So I was in Dollar Tree the other day, and they have so many pretty washies, but this I had never seen before. It's just like musical notes. I think that's gorgeous. And if it's a little dark today, we're getting ready to have another storm, so that's why it's so dark. But I got that one, and then I got this one. I think that's really pretty. But with your planners, Dollar Tree has so many nice things that you can really use for your planners that don't cost very much. And then this, I love that washi when I saw it. It's just black and red hearts. I think it's beautiful. And then this one is really pretty as well. It's blue, and it has like flowers on it in white. And it just looks, I think, expensive and elegant. I wish I could get more lighting, but I just can't right now. And then here is this washi. It almost reminds me of Christmas or like ice cream shop, something like that. I really like that, so I picked that up. And then here's this one. It's really pretty, so vibrant. You could probably do a lot with something like this. And then here's this. I love the colors on that. I think it's really pretty. And then the last one I picked up was this one, just the black and white. I thought it just looks so pretty. But Dollar Tree, I really do love their washi. Some people don't like it that well, but I love it. And then, that, like I said, that came from Dollar Tree. Then my husband and I were at Sears, and our Sears is closing. So they had like 50% off all their shoes. So I picked these up. I think they're adorable. They were regularly $19.99, and I got them for $10. I love them. They're so cute. They're just that denim canvas with a really pretty little bow on the top. And then I like that kind of distressed look right in through there and on the tips of the bow and up there. So I picked those up. Then I was at Penny's the other day with my mom, and we were shopping, and I saw these shirts, and they had such good sales. It was not even funny, but it's a really pretty shirt, and you can see it's kind of like longer on both ends and then high in the middle. And this was normally $29, and I can't remember what I paid for this, but it wasn't $29. I know it wasn't. And but that is this one. And then this one is totally adorable. I love it. It's so pretty. It has the little sleeves, kind of like a bell sleeve, and it's gathered here. And it has some gathering here in the front. And it's Anna who makes that. And this one was $44. It was on sale, but I don't remember how much this one was. I think they were like 40% off or something like that. Now this one was on clearance, so I definitely know how much this one was. But this is really cute. It's so summery and cool. But I love the kind of like, it's hard to see with this lighting, but it has this ribbing right here across the bust. And then it's kind of longer in the front than it is in the back. And this one was regularly $32, but it was $8.12. So I love that. I think that is so cute. It'll be so pretty for summer and very cool, which is a good thing. I need that because I burn up all the time. So now let me talk to you about the P.O. Box shout-outs. I thought I was so touched. I hadn't been to my P.O. Box in a long time. I usually try to go every 2 weeks, but I think it had been probably like 3 weeks to maybe a month since I'd been there, since I'd been dealing with my foot. So I went, and I had 2 wonderful surprises in my P.O. Box. It just truly touched my heart. The first one is from Cecilia, and I won't say your last name, but she sent me a beautiful little card, and then this little note card with the butterfly on it, and it is so precious. I love it. And then you open it up, and then there's the notes. I'm gonna keep this in my purse. I love it. It's so sweet and thoughtful that you would send me something like this. I really do appreciate it. I love it, and I love that butterfly, and I love those collars. So thank you so much. Then the next little goodie that I got, it was from Peggy, and she sent me this nice little package, and it has a beautiful little letter, and I loved how that looks like it has washi sealed with it. And I love that. That is beautiful little flower stuck on there. And then she sent me a nice little letter as well that looks really pretty. But she sent me a pocket letter that she had made, and I loved it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna have to start making pocket letters because I love this. It's gorgeous, but you can just see, cherish the little things. I wish the lighting was so much better in here today, but it isn't. And then this with all these little things for your planner that you can put on, and then another little butterfly, and then all this dream, and then these little glitter packs right in here. I love that. And then this has a really pretty octopus, and then this is gorgeous. I love that. And that is so pretty. And then I love that too. I love it all. And then the back, whatever you do, make sure it makes you happy. That's so true. And then this one says, follow your arrow. I think that is really pretty. And this says, believe in yourself. She believed she could, so she did. That is so pretty. And then this is pretty, the little fish. And then this back in here once again. And then this has like Minnie Mouse in here with some washi and a seashell. And then I think this is so pretty, and it has a butterfly in that. And then this is like this. And then this has this little thing that hangs off of it. And she wrote something on it. And then it has a beautiful little pineapple. But I loved my pocket letter, and I loved my note cards. And I love the notes, the letters that came with it. I'm really touched. So, I mean, I never expect anything from you all, but it really touched my heart, and it really made my day. So I wanted to say thank you so much for everything. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.